Good morning, Year 6. In this video, I'm going to be explaining today's Destination Reader lesson. It's the file titled Destination Reader 2nd of Feb. We're going to start off with a warm-up today. Today, in the extract we're going to read, it's one of our main characters' birthdays. I want you to imagine that it's your birthday today, and I want you to answer these questions in each corner of the star. First of all, who do you want to see? Secondly, what presents would you like to receive? Thirdly, what would you like to do? And fourthly, what would you like to eat? You can pause the video and have a go at filling those in. When you've done that, I'm going to introduce you to some key vocabulary for the day. First of all, omens. Omens are events that seem like signs. They're things that if we see them or notice them, they seem to tell us something about the future. Okay? Secondly, we've got superstitions. These are little beliefs that people hold, or even actions, things that they do that aren't based on any science or logic, but usually on ideas about luck or chance or even old magical beliefs. Some common superstitions are that walking under a ladder is bad luck. That seeing a black cat is bad luck. There are many, many different superstitions that people have. The last word is tumours. Okay? A tumour is a mass of diseased cells that might become a lump or cause a serious illness. What I'd like you to do is pause this video and have a good read of the first page of our extract from page 18 of Artichoke Hearts. When you've finished reading that very carefully, we're going to look at our first key question. It's a summary question. And remember, when we summarize, we have to give the key details, okay, the main details, and leave out the unimportant information and focus on what's really important to the story, or the characters, the plot. So we're going to look at paragraph 1, this big chunk here. What's the key idea in this paragraph? Now, in order to answer this, I would really recommend rereading the paragraph. When you've done that, you might think, well, I know what happens. But it's also worth thinking about the feelings of the characters involved in that paragraph. Is there something that they're feeling or thinking that's more important than what actually happened? And in this paragraph, that is the case. It's more about a feeling than anything else. You can start and you'll type your actual answer on the last page, the selfie page, but you could start with the key idea is that then focus on a character in the paragraph. Here, it's all really about Mira and what Mira's thinking and what Mira's doing. So I'm going to write the key idea is that Mira, and then I want you to finish that idea. What is Mira thinking in this paragraph? It's actually more important than what happens is what Mira's thinking. Okay, and you'll answer that question on the last page, the selfie page. I was just demonstrating the sentence opener here. Now, pause the video and have a good read of this second page of our extract today. And when you've done that, at the bottom, we've got a question here, an inference question, where we need to use some clues from the text to work out why it was so unusual to Mira that Nana's feet felt cold. Why was it strange that Nana's feet felt cold? The information is in the extract, but it might not be immediately obvious. You can't see the word unusual anywhere. Why was it unusual that her feet felt cold? Why was that surprising? Now you're going to answer those questions on the last page. Okay, so the question that we looked at a minute ago about summarizing, you'll need to go back into that paragraph to summarize what is the key idea in that paragraph. Please answer in a full sentence. Please make sure you've got a character's name. Don't just say she. And secondly, why was it unusual that Nana Josie's feet felt cold? Can you use the clues in the second page of the extract to work that out? Write your answers here and don't forget to save at the end.